Hello everyone, welcome back to DigiTech Dynamo. In this video, I will show you how to connect ESP8266 to Wi-Fi using a very simple Arduino code. About ESP8266, ESP8266 is a low-cost Wi-Fi microcontroller widely used in IoT projects, home automation, and web server applications. First, we include the ESP8266 Wi-Fi library, then we define our Wi-Fi SSID and password, constchar, SSID, as Wi-Fi SID, constchar, password, as Wi-Fi password. Inside the setup function, we start serial communication at 115,200 baud rate, set ESP8266 in station mode, start Wi-Fi connection, Wi-Fi.mode, open parenthesis, WIFI, _ST, A close parenthesis, Wi-Fi dot, begin, open parenthesis, SSID, password, close parenthesis, checking Wi-Fi status. In the loop function, we continuously check Wi-Fi status, Wi-Fi.status. If the serial monitor shows status 3, it means Wi-Fi is successfully connected. Conclusion. This simple example helps you understand how ESP8266 connects to Wi-Fi, how to check Wi-Fi connection status. You can use this code as a base for IoT and ESP8266 projects. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to DigiTech Dynamo.